So I finished doing all the electrics up on the roof. Nick had to go up and do some like finishing fiddlies, sort out, make it all nice and neat and tidy. But what we didn't realise was the other day we'd left a load of filings on the roof, so it's got a load of rust spots on there, like just speckled basically. So bless his heart, the sun's gone down and Nick is still up on the ladders trying to sort out the issue. Can you see much of the rust, darling?
Yeah, I'll show you. So basically when I drilled the holes, I thought I'd brushed all the filings off, but obviously I didn't.
It was a windy day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a windy day, and basically it's all gone over the bonnet. Well, not the bonnet, the roof. And all here. So I'm trying to get it all off before it rusts more.
Yep. What I've also noticed, because I've spent obviously a lot of time up on the ladder, I've seen a lot of the van that I don't normally look at. There is a lot of rust spots. Now, Aurora's not been clean. She's been a little bit neglected for the last 6 months, really. So we're going to go and give her a really good clean, and hopefully any rust spots, treat them, sort out all the paintwork and blah-de-blah-de-blah, and that, it'll give her a new lease of life, right? Because after all, she looks damn beautiful right now. Look, check her out. Luna's loving life too at the moment, aren't you, darling? Are you loving life? Yes, she is. I reckon I was right before. Tonight is the last night here. Making sure everything's ready tonight so that tomorrow we can get off. Probably not early because I'm not that person, but hopefully we can get off at a reasonable time, reach Aguilas and hopefully have a nice afternoon is the hope, but we'll see. I'm just in the van at the moment, got some candles going and I'm watching a bit of Married at First Sight. Anyway, we'll probably catch up with you in the morning. Right, so we're just at a garage where they do a service stop, so it's €3 to fill your tank. You can empty your toilet here, but what's really cool is they've got a jet wash, so Nick can wash the van at last. Water's filled up, Nick's just putting the hose pipe away, but if you have a look, some steps next to a really cool jet wash, so that's where we're heading next. I think Nick's struggling with the hose.
That's what she said.
Do you want some help? Finally, she gets the clean that she deserves. She is absolutely disgusting. She's caked in it. It's gross. Probably one of the worst that it's been. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That is mental. Time for the LPG now. Right, so we made it to Cocedores. It's not the same place we came back to though, right? It's crazy busy with motorhomes, like the busiest we've ever seen it. It is always quite busy, but this is just another level. And yeah, the beaches are all full of weed, which isn't what we used to, but I think it must be from all the storms that they've had recently. It's all been washed up, but it's still beautiful. We need to get the paddleboards out eventually, so hopefully the weather will stay nice. Luna's having a great time. Look at her. I know. It's our first time in the sea actually, isn't it? Oh my days, this is our first time in the water, isn't it? Got to get in it then. Got to walk in it now, we said it. 1 second. Ooh. Oh, it's still a bit chilly. It's lovely here. It is a beautiful spot. Just a lot busier. Yeah, this is nice, this section. All of that is all the weed washed up. And check out Motorhome City up there. It's actually quite nice now, I've been in it a bit. She's having the best time. Lulu, what are you doing? So we spoke to our friends about the fact that the turtles are supposed to be coming laying their eggs. I'm not sure what time of year it is, so I need to look that up to see A, when they come to lay them, and B, when they hatch. So yeah, I need to have a look into that. I've seen it happen once before, and that was in Mexico when I was about 15, I think, 14. And it was, yeah, incredible. And we saw them coming in, digging the holes, and then laying the eggs and then covering it back over. So yeah, it was really quite magical. And they were huge, the turtles then. I don't know what kind of turtle it is that lays eggs here, but I'll find out what they are and, yeah, see what the score is, right? Because that'll be so cute. Having a little dry after having a lovely day in the sea. She is absolutely pooped, isn't she? She's just letting you do it. Proof's in the pudding. Someone's that tired, she's not even got on the bed.
She can't really get on the bed, can she?
You weren't supposed to tell anyone that. My poor little babe, but she's not even going on the sofa or anything. You sausage! Your daddy kiss.
Thank you.
She just wants love.
So Jenny's just locked me to show you this because she's terrified of it.
Is it? Oh, look at
There
it.
it is.
Is it like a praying mantis?
Looks like one, yeah.
Oh, it's massive. Not blurry. I think it is a praying mantis. I've looked at the video because I didn't want to get too close myself. Oh, he wants me to show you where it is now. 1 minute. Right, this is me being brave. Oh, look at him. He's looking at me with his eyes. He is freaky. It's beautiful, the sky tonight. What's in there? Right, so we've been here one night, here being Cocedores. We're still parked in the same spot, and yeah, we're not able to move. It's still really, really busy here.
We want one of these spaces.
Yeah, we want one of these. 1 minute, I'll show you.
These spots here. Any of them will do. I don't care which one it is. I don't care. First one.
Yeah, whichever one, as long as we're not penned in, right?
Yeah. I mean, where we are is all right, isn't it? It's nice. It's just, I want to be on the front.
Last year, we were there. It might be a bit windy, but get the out of the shot. Just wanted to show you, the sunset isn't actually on this side, it's on the other side. Look at them mountains, they look so beautiful. They're stunning. This is the other cove, which is really beautiful as well. Are you up for climbing up there again this time?
Yeah, it's a nice walk.
It is 360 views here, to be fair. It's just crazy full of white lands. So it's super quiet here. Nick's got his headphones on. I'm just sat on the bed at the moment. He has been shouting, Luna, Luna, no, this way, but not realising how loud he is because his headphones were on. I love that man. The colour of him already, it's absolutely ridiculous, isn't it? So we were all chilled out until... What the hell was that? We've just heard a massive explosion. Oh, my heart. What was that? What the hell was it?
Did you hear that then? That was an explosion, that wasn't it?
It actually moved my vehicle.
Yeah.
Where was it? Was it in battle or was it out here?
Out there.
That was a pop.
Oh, my heart's racing. That was really horrible. So what I thought was the end of the world actually turned out to be a sonic boom from a military aircraft. So hopefully you'll be able to hear me above the crashing waves. But we've just come onto the other beach. We've been on here before, but it still blows us away every single time. It is just perfect. It's just really lovely. Sorry, my phone shadow is on my face. Anyway, I'll let you have a nosy. Right, so we've been speaking to a couple. This is something that we didn't know about this cove. Believe it or not, there is like
A story to it.
a story to it, yeah. So basically, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, this beach behind us was accessible to all VanLifers basically, and hippies alike.
Nickname Hippie Beach.
Yeah, hippie beach. And basically, when they came in and blocked it all off, a lady who was one of the hippies decided to put herself in one of the derelict buildings, didn't she, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah. But sadly, apparently last year she passed away. But this is her house and she's made it so cute with all the cactus and everything. Let's have a look. Yeah. They've put a little thing across here. It's really lovely. And this was her front garden. You pay hundreds of thousands of pounds for a view like this, and it's absolutely beautiful here. Stunning. Very jealous. Right, so we've just come back on the beach for our evening stroll, so Luna can have a bit of a walk. And basically, all the bloody seaweed seems to have gone. Yeah. So I don't know what the bloody hell's happened here. Like, yeah, it has been windy, but it's got to be the sea. It must have dragged them all back in there. But anyway, it makes for a much, much, much prettier beach.
So there's some there, babe, look. So the sea's obviously dragged it back in, hasn't it?
Yeah. But this side is looking lovely. The sun's setting, so we're heading over to this area where the sun is still shining, just to get the last few minutes of sun. What are we on our way to find, Nick?
Just see if our sticker's still there from last time.
So it came up on my time hop this time last year. Last year we put a sticker on the post. So, but someone's ripped it off. That's rude. It was about here. Never mind. Oh well, now we're here, we may as well go for a walk on this beach too. Okay people, if you enjoyed that, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you know when our next video is going to be released. Hope to see you on the road somewhere because, as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind and make every single moment count.
Come on, Luna.
This way! Come on! Got a bit distracted. Come on!
Ever work with dogs? What a tosser.
It just doesn't make no sense. Always designated poop carrier.